Hey, what's up? Welcome to my backyard. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. So today we're gonna be smoking a whole chicken. I took the chicken and basically trimmed it up, cut off the tail, deboned the neck, and trimmed up all the fat. And then I got through on the skin and made sure I gave it a nice seasoning of my homemade BBQ Rub, which I'll leave down in the description. And made sure I got the chicken breast nicely coated with my rub, you know, underneath the skin and everything. And just gave the whole chicken a nice rub. And it's nicely seasoned, so let's get that bad boy and put it on the grill. If you followed me for a while, you already know that Kingsford Blue is my favorite charcoal, and I combine that with mesquite lumps. I combine those two because it adds not only a good heat source, also the good smoky flavor from the mesquite lumps. But I was down at the store the other day and I seen some wood chips. There's some Kingsford premium blend wood chips. It's basically got a little bit of apple, hickory, and oak. So I'm gonna just use straight Kingsford Blue for our fire source, and I'm gonna give it a smoke with this premium blend. See how it goes. Okay, so to explain our setup, we're gonna be using our 22-inch Weber kettle. As you can see, I got two charcoal baskets, one on each side. I got some charcoal heating up right now. So once that's done, I'm gonna be filling up both of these baskets. And then I also have some wood chips that I got soaking in water. I'm gonna be placing those wood chips all on top of the hot coals. So we're gonna be using indirect heat. We're gonna be putting our chicken right here in the middle. I also got some veggies, which I'll be probably putting towards the back also. So indirect heat, and we're gonna try to achieve a temperature of 350 degrees. And I'm gonna be using our iGrill Mini to monitor the internal temperature of the chicken, so that way once it reaches 165 degrees, we'll remove it from the grill. Alright, so I did measure the charcoal to the chimney, so I filled up the baskets first, and then I filled up the chimney with both baskets. So you kind of want to just even these out so that way you get an even cook. It looks about maybe one more on that side. Okay, so now we're going to be taking our wood chips. Careful, hot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's already giving some good smoke there. I'm gonna just go ahead and just for poops and giggles. Just for the hell of it, I'm gonna just throw some dry ones on there too. Give it that extra smoke flavor. Alright, so we're gonna be taking our beautiful chicken here. We'll just go ahead and put that bad boy right here in the middle. Also have some seasoned veggies here also. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in the back also. Alright, so we're gonna take our probe from the iGrill Mini. We're gonna go ahead and place that in here. Give that a little slack. Okay, so we got everything on the grill. We got the smoke rolling and the heat's fired up. So all we have to do is let the iGrill Mini do its job. I inserted it into the chicken breast and furthest away from the heat source. So the iGrill Mini is just basically a thermometer probe. It has an app that allows me to connect to my cell phone, and that way I can monitor the internal temperatures. So once that beeps off at 165 degrees, the chicken's done and we'll take it off the grill. Okay, so we're about halfway. The chicken's reached about 120 degrees. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn it this way. As you can tell, the chicken's already got a good color on it. And so now that we got it turned to the side, we're gonna just close it up. I've been really digging my Weber Kettle grill. You know, I had a bigger grill before, and for how much charcoal it used to take just to get a cook out of it, it used to take a lot of charcoal. And since this Weber Kettle grill is like really small, I don't use that much charcoal as before, so it's very like resourceful on your charcoal and your fuel. So if you guys are looking for a Weber Kettle grill or any of the accessories, I'll leave a link down in the description, also including with the iGrill Mini. The iGrill Mini is a really good tool. Trust me, if you're gonna be doing indirect heat and long cooks, you want an internal probe. So the iGrill Mini is a good option for you. All right. Okay, so our iGrill Mini says that the temperature has hit to 165 degrees internally. Got a beautiful skin color, nice and charred. Go ahead and take off the iGrill Mini. Nicely smoked. Alright, just to show you there, I got another thermometer there. It's reading at 174 degrees. Of course it is in another position than where the iGrill Mini was at. The iGrill Mini was more towards the middle of the chicken breast. As you can see right there, about right on the temperature, 175. Well, that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and click the bell so that we can see all my future videos and cooking recipes just like this one. And if you have any questions or anything in general you just want to say about the recipe or something, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. And do me a favor, hit that like button. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.